Hello, very good evening. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can download Windows 11 from Microsoft's website and create a bootable USB disk very quickly and very easily. So let's begin. On your browser, type your URL called microsoft.com/software/download/Windows 11. So if you need Windows 11, this is the URL you're going to need. I'm going to post this URL in the description as well. This is the URL that will allow you to download Microsoft Windows from the Microsoft's official website. If you already have an activation, you can just simply download and upgrade it into your latest Microsoft 11 versions. Okay, so all you need is come back here, and there are 3 different versions that you need to do. If you already have, if you need an installation assistant, you can use this option. Okay, if you want to create installation media, you can have this particular option. The best we recommend is downloading an ISO file and then creating a what we call bootable USB or a CD. So all you need to do is come into this third option, select Windows Multi-Edition. Multi-Edition basically means that it's not a specific now, education, personal, whatever you want. All you need is your activation code and it will determine which version you have purchased. So all you do is click on download. It will ask you one more option, that which language basically you want. And for us, we will just go for English US. Click on confirm. Once you confirm it, then it will ask you, okay, Windows 11 English, let's download 64-bit. As soon as you click on it, the download should begin and it will start downloading your Windows 11 ISO file. Once this download is complete, we will go and create a bootable disk. Okay, so let's just wait until it finishes. Alright, so now once the download is complete, here we are, and I have already Windows 11 English downloaded. I've also got some software called Rufus 3.10. Okay, now what's a Rufus? Rufus is a tool that we're going to use to create a bootable disk. It's an amazing tool. If you already have it, fantastic. If you don't have it, you can come into this website called rufus.ie.en. Again, I will leave the link down in the description below, and I will make a separate tutorial on how basically you can use it in detail. But this is a very cool tool that will create a bootable disk for us very easily and very simply. It does not need an installation. All you just do is double click on it. So make sure you have plugged in your USB, then click on disk or ISO, select a particular, then come here, select your ISO file, and it should go and read your ISO file details. All the information should be there. So just go for standard installation and format FAT32. Usually we leave it to NTFS. This is where the usually common mistake occurs. Do make sure you change it to NTFS. Windows 11 works only with NTFS format because this will format your USB. So whatever data is on the USB will be formatted. Do ensure you have already made a backup of it. Once you have done that, just click here, click on NTFS-C and click start. It will go and erase your USB and create a bootable Windows 11 USB, and then that's it. Just plug it and restart your PC, boot from USB and install Windows. That's it, as easy as it gets. Hopefully it's very useful for you. If you're finding it useful, do hit that like button, leave us a comments down below what you might be having a problem with or any issue that you would like to discuss. Let me know and I will try to help you out with that. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button, hit that bell icon and do support us for future tutorials. See you around, man.